Hey guys, it's Bill Moscas again. We are in Stuart, Florida, and today I want to show you this awesome Aquila 42 yacht. It's a 2025 model and available for sale, for immediate sale. Let's go around. So we are here at the transom area. You can have your dinghy stored right back there. There is a crane that deploys out in order to pick it up on a tether. Or I have seen people taking a nice hammock chair and hook it up right there and hang over the water. The swim platforms, both sides, are very expansive with very large ladders that hide underneath the hatch, and they deploy basically solid 6 steps or so. So if you're diving, that will be an excellent feature that you will enjoy a lot. Of course, we have twin engine room. They're identical. You have different machinery stored on each one of them, but here you see the D4 300s with the exhaust system. The stringer system is made out of steel, so you have extra reinforcement. And then of course you have the expandable table, probably 6-7 people at least. Of course, this one flips over when you have all the crew around. My favorite feature, the bar over here. It's great to have a discussion with whoever is preparing food or drinks, and you can certainly pass the drinks or enjoy right over here. Your view is barely disrupted because you have windows all around. So it's a fantastic area. You can see it when with the door open. You have a very open concept with at least 4 feet of space to go through into the salon. So now just inside we have the galley area with a huge sink and ample prep area all around. Nice faucets, storage up here and down below. This one has a microwave and also a combination oven, which can be convection, a broiler, or actually a microwave as well. So you have 2 microwaves. The range for 2 items right over here, made out of from Canyon. Freezer and refrigerator, almost full size, right across. Here is the heart of the vessel with basically all your switches, main and otherwise. Going forward, you have the salon area with wraparound seating around this awesome table. The table is up and down, so you could have another sleeping area with the cushion that fits right on top. Opposing couch over the other side, and your VHF C-zone, so you can control all your lights and electrical items from this screen. And also your VHF and diffusion over here, charging ports, and a nice glove compartment further down. Obviously this boat doesn't have it, but if you had the lower helm, it would have been installed here, and this one gets deleted. Moving further forward, we have the utility cabin. It's a little bit height restricted, however it can definitely sleep 2 people. Another option would have been to delete this bed, have a single bed over here, and have a washer dryer across. And this boat has an additional head for this secondary sleeping area. So to the port side we have the master bedroom. Nice appointed rails helping you coming down. You have Very nice view. Unfortunately, it's not that great where we have the boat. However, you can see all the windows. It's basically going all the way to the prep area and or makeup area or a small little desk that you have right over here. Very nice, comfortable bed, almost queen size. You do have storage over on the side and a mirror as you get up to admire yourself. Across we have the head with it's a dry head with a separate shower, sink right across, and then plenty of storage space all around. Full-size closet right over here, and it's one more side right over here when we close the door. So his and hers. You have the optional fans, and also it becomes extremely private when you just close the house. All right, starboard side we have the VIP. It's slightly more condensed than the master. The bed side of things is still the same size windows. However, you do not have that office / prep area that you have on the master. And then again, you have a dry head configured slightly differently, but still offering the same amenities. Closet space, you only have one instead of two full-size closets. And now let's head to the bow. Very wide, with handrails on both sides. You have the twin loungers with adjustable backs, and also two significant size storage areas, large enough that can be converted to a crew sleeping area. Your windlass is right underneath these two panels. And then I love the access, the trademark access that Aquila gives to the flybridge from the bow. The helm is located pretty much on the center axis of the boat, with your large 16-inch Raymarine, your autopilot, and your Volvo Penta instrumentation. VHF levers right over here. Twin seats with bolsters. And then you have wraparound seating all around almost for many people. There is a filler that goes in between when people have sat down and makes this table one. I also love the oversized refrigerator freezer that is right over here. You have storage right next to it, and then a sink and your grill right underneath here. The view is awesome. You have the optional enclosure, which is Malachron. It's not isinglass, it's a hard enclosure. So it will never wrinkle and stuff like that, and it's much more weather resistant than the isinglass is. This, it opens up very easily and it buttons right up there. So if you are caught in rainy weather, you can easily bring it down, close the door on the front, and you are very well protected from the elements. Stereo system comes up from the ceiling. You have 4 speakers, and then you can obtain additional ventilation should you have it closed by opening the twin hatches that we have on top. yeah, that's pretty much the flybridge area. Thank you for watching. This concludes our short presentation of this yacht, Aquila 42 2025, ready for immediate delivery. I'm Bill Mascus and we are at MarineMax in Stuart. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. 203-808-5088 is the best number to get me, and thank you for watching.